Munofara here. Welcome back to Shona land, and today I'll be teaching you greeting in Shona. Okay, let's do this. So the most common way of people greeting is hi. So in Shona, sorry, it can be done in several ways, but I just listed 3 ways of doing it right now. So to say hi to someone in Shona, it's either you say wakadi, which is the first one here, wakadi, or the other option is you can just say hesi, hesi, or the third option you could say moro, moro. Yes, so this is how you do it. So in order for someone to respond, if someone says wakadi or hesi or moro to you, this is how you respond. You say ndinofara, unofara here. That's how you respond to it. Ndinofara, unofara here. Okay? So if someone says wakadi, and then you respond ndinofara, unofara here. Or if someone says hesi, you respond ndinofara, unofara here. Or if someone says moro, say ndinofara, unofara here. Okay? So let's go to the next greeting. So if someone says hi, how are you? How do you say that in Shona? So in Shona, for you to say hi, how are you? You say hesi, wakadi hako. Hesi, which is equivalent to hi. Wakadi hako. How are you? So in order to respond to that, you say ndakasimba kuti wakasimbao. Or you can also respond it the same way like the previous response that we did for hi, just saying ndinofara, unofara here. So if someone says hesi, wakadi hako, the response is ndakasimba kuti wakasimbao. Ndakasimba kuti wakasimbao. Or you just say ndinofara, unofara here. Okay, I hope it's clear enough. Okay, going to the last one. If someone says how are you, it's almost similar. So it's all in Shona, it can be wakadi hako, or it can be unofara here. So you can see the greetings are more or less the same when it's translated to Shona. Even though in English as well, it's more or less the same way of greeting, although it's just the difference in the phrasing of the greeting. So if someone says, "How are you?" in Shona, it's wakadi hako or unofara here. And then in order to respond to that, you say ndakasimba kuti wakasimbao. Ndakasimba kuti wakasimbao. Or ndinofara, unofara here. Okay. So just to sum it up all together, if someone says hesi, wakadi hako, your response is ndakasimba kuti wakasimbao. You can also respond using ndinofara, unofara here. So the response can be used interchangeably on all of these greetings, since it's basically the same thing that you'll be saying. So I'm just letting you know the different ways of greeting in Shona. So we go to, if someone says wakadi, or if someone says hesi, or if someone says moro, you respond ndinofara, unofara here. Ndinofara, unofara here. Or ndakasimba kuti wakasimbao. Same applies if someone says wakadi hako, or unofara here. Same response as well. Ndakasimba kuti wakasimbawo. Or you can respond saying ndinofara, unofara here. And this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked it and I hope you understood. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.